Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video using Morrison's makeup range. So I was unaware that Morrison's has their own makeup range, and I recently went in and saw that they did. So I picked up a few things to try out. I have actually tried a few things out, and I was kind of making like a mental note of things that I liked and things that I didn't. I also kind of wanted to test out the foundation and see what it was like for a longer period of time. I've also got my woolly jumper on and thermals because it is freezing at the moment. Yes, it looks sunny, but it is so cold here. So yeah, let's get into it. So I spent £48 and I got how many? 9 items. So I'm gonna put them on, talk through the price of them and shades and everything, so that the video isn't that long. Also, look how cool this is. My sister got me this from Primark. It's like one of them things that you get in a nail salon, but I use my toner in it, and you put your cotton pad on it, push it down, and it comes out, and it's easy. So yeah, like that. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is the Nutmeg Liquid Illuminator, which is this, and this was £6, and it just comes in one shade, I think, and I'm just gonna apply onto the highest points of my skin. So I have done my little skincare routine beforehand, and I'm just gonna blend this all out. It is giving me a very nice, I think I put way too much on, but let's take it all over the face. A nice glow to the skin. I do like putting a glow underneath my skin, underneath my products, especially in summer, but you know, hey, it is nearly winter and I'm still doing it. I have put way too much on. I am looking like the Tin Man. But anyway, it's giving me a nice glow. What's that? Which I love. Keep looking in this mirror as well. Oh yeah, you see, it's giving me a nice radiant look. I would nearly say you could wear, if you really like that kind of glowy look, you could maybe get away with wearing that on its own. So the next thing is foundation. This was again £6, and I got mine in the shade Porcelain number 3, which it looks like this. I really like the packaging. It's kind of a little bit like NARS, but I like the sleek black with the thin writing. I think it's quite a chic look. So I'm just gonna apply onto my skin and blend this out. So I do remember that this actually lasted quite well on my skin. It says that it's a medium to full coverage, and I think it's definitely buildable. It looks really nice on the skin, as you can see. Blends out really well. Why did I wear a white top? A matte finish? Yeah, a matte foundation. Medium to full coverage, which I, especially in winter, I prefer a matte foundation just because I do have quite a oily, dewy skin texture anyway. I'm going to just go in with a sponge and just blend it out a little bit, get rid of any lines. So this is what it looks like up close. Nice. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is the concealer. So this is Illuminating Concealer Pen, and this was £5, and it comes with a little pump. I did actually use this on its own as well, and it was really good. So I'm just kind of concealing all of the normal areas. I don't know what, I think I just got this in light medium, and it is a very similar shade to the foundation, which is quite good. Just kind of applying it to those areas. It is more of a pinky tone, which I'm not really a fan of, but I don't think they had any other undertones, and it blends out really well, and it does kind of like feel like you're hydrating under your eyes, which I like. I don't like a concealer that's really drying. Nice. And then, as I'm looking a little bit pasty, I got a contour stick as well, which looks like this. This was £5, and it comes with that much product, and then it has a highlighting bit on the other side as well. So I'm just going to go in and contour all the areas. Just kind of like, I like this pen. I like this style of pen for nose contouring because I find it's really easy to kind of draw on. So I'm going to use this brush for the contour. It's just kind of like warming up my face a little bit. And it blends out nice as well, which is good. It's not like cakey. And then I'm going to use this little brush for my nose contour, bringing it down. I probably should use a mirror for this because I can't see. A bit of concealer just down the middle of my nose. And again, blending. So far it looks really nice. It's kind of like blended my pores out, and it's given me quite a nice fresh looking skin. So one thing I didn't pick up was a powder, so I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal one. I got this in the shade, no idea, oh, brown 2. So it comes with a spoolie to brush these little puppies up. And then it comes with a little crayon pen. So I'm just going to fill these in really lightly and just kind of follow the shape of my brow. I was literally saying in the last video how I don't like filling my brows in, but I think that this is a nice colour for my eyebrows. It's not too dark, which I like. So here are the brows. Like I said, they're not too dark, which I really like. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, just to prep them for an eyeshadow. Yes, Morrison's have an eyeshadow, which I have got. So I do actually think that they had a few different colours of this. So I got the warm neutral palette, and this was £6 for this little quad, which looks like this. Can you see? They are all shimmers, which not so sure on, but we can work with it. So I'm going to go in with this brown first and just run that through my socket. So they are quite actually pigmented, and they do lose a little bit of glitter when applied onto the eye, which for this brown isn't too bad. I feel like we're going to go into a situation of a smoky eye here. Okay, and I'm going to get a smaller brush and just kind of like smoke it out a little bit. Something, the foundation looks very good. With this shade, I'm just going to apply it with my finger onto, oh, wrong one, onto my eyelid. I mean, they're very soft eyeshadows. And they create a really nice kind of delicate eye look. So I'm going to actually go off camera and do a little wing and some mascara. They do have a mascara, but I have quite a lot of mascara, so I didn't pick one up, but I think that again was only a couple of pounds, maybe £6. So yeah, I didn't get their full range, but I got a few things. So I'm gonna go put some, just a pencil eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be right back. So I added a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. So I'm going to go in with the third to last two things. So I got a bronzing and highlighting powder set, which was £5, and then a blusher in the shade Blusher Coral, which was £4. And I'm going to go in first with my bronzer. I'm going to go for the middle bit. I mean, kind of anything really. Bronze up my face. Okay, and then going in with the blusher. So just taking a little bit. I mean, I really have no idea what's going on with this side because I can't see in the mirror, but I'm kind of hoping it looks okay. So this, I would say, is nearly my favourite thing that I picked up. I wore this when we went for dinner on Sunday night and I really liked it. It's a matte lipstick in the shade Grape 2. This was £6. It's a little roll up. I was quite unsure at first of the colour. I was like, oh, is that really my kind of colour? But for autumn, I really like it. So I'm just going to apply it. So yeah, I really like this colour. It's a lot more pink than I would normally go for, but I actually really like it, and I think that it is a great kind of lip colour for this season and transitioning into winter. Yeah, so all around, I think that for what the price of the products are, I think that they're really affordable and really good. I'm actually going out like this tonight, so I'm not mad at them. And I think the foundation looks, just looking in the mirror here, It's really nice and just like blends seamlessly onto the skin. I don't know if you can, yeah, like it looks kind of like airbrushed. So yeah. So yeah. So this is the finished makeup look. If you enjoyed this kind of video, testing different types of brands, then don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And I'll see you again with another video. Thanks for watching.